Priority Communication Systems Ltd provides integrated communication, life safety, security, entertainment, and audio-visual solutions in Toronto and across Canada. We support organizations with professional technology systems designed to improve communication, safety, security, and daily building operations. From consultation and design through to installation and ongoing support, PCS delivers reliable solutions for modern facilities that need connected, secure, and responsive technology. Priority Communication Systems Ltd supports key industries across Brampton, including senior living, healthcare, education, commercial buildings, hospitality, multi-dwelling properties, and manufacturing environments. Every organization has different communication and safety requirements, and PCS provides tailored systems designed around the needs of each facility. For Brampton organizations, reliable communication starts with strong infrastructure. PCS provides phone systems, voice, data, Wi-Fi, and structured cabling solutions to help teams stay connected and efficient. Our systems support clear communication for staff, residents, visitors, building managers, and operational teams. Safety, response, and situational awareness are critical in today's buildings. Priority Communication Systems Ltd provides emergency call systems, mass notification, and monitoring solutions to support faster communication, improved response, and better awareness across senior living, healthcare, education, commercial, and multi-dwelling environments. PCS also provides professional audio-visual solutions in Brampton, including digital signage, theater rooms, public address systems, and meeting spaces. Our AV systems are designed to improve presentation, communication, entertainment, and engagement across workplaces, care environments, education facilities, and public spaces. Security systems play an important role in protecting people, property, and assets. Priority Communication Systems Ltd provides CCTV, door entry, access control, and security monitoring solutions for safer buildings across Brampton. These systems help organizations manage access, monitor activity, improve visibility, and support a more secure environment. From initial consultation and system design through to professional installation and ongoing maintenance, PCS provides complete support for technology projects. We work with senior living, education, healthcare, commercial, and multifamily dwelling environments, helping organizations choose and maintain the right systems for long-term reliability and performance. For integrated technology solutions in Brampton and across Canada, PCS provides life safety, security, monitoring, CCTV, door entry, audio-visual solutions, and building technology systems designed for modern organizations. Contact Priority Communication Systems Ltd today. Visit PriorityLTD.com.